Mhm. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. This one. Maneuver burn. Maneuver mode. Made so much money tonight. I'm having a really bad day. Rip grip method. Let's see here. Yeah. 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 So that. Mm, uh. It's ownership priority. That's what I figured it was. 'Cause it only happened in stage. Typical. Why does it always happen in stage? I know a lot of people are really excited for this thing, and it's just been bug after bug. There's like a whole entire fucking Discord like begging for this thing to be built. Like bending over backwards for it. And it's sideways. A true test to my programming skills. Um, okay. Maneuver node, keep X out. Yep. State separation cannot switch to stabilization. Program tap check steering. Stage still handles fuel out. Replacement engine maneuvers. Rechecked after stage change. The bar continues. That's not gonna solve it. Okay. Architecture. Okay, cool. So we got that done. Got the staging fix done. I hope. I don't know though. It's probably gonna reintroduce new issues. 25,000 lines of code later. We launched the game. Okay, let's go here to this rocket. Or what rocket was it that caused the issue? It was this one there. Yeah, it was that one.
All flight controllers, stand by for launch status check. Report go or no go for startup automatic launch sequence. Guidance intro. Tell intro. FIDO intro. Control intro. Retro intro. Intro. Booster intro. Procedure intro. Surgeon intro. Assistant flight director intro. Capcom intro. FAO intro. Ecom intro. Network intro. GMC intro. Computer support intro. Recovery intro. All stations are go. Launch control. Flight. Proceed with command uplink. Flight computer. Launch control. Prepare to receive launch command. Uplink follow. Internal power intro. Automatic launch sequence intro. Engine start command intro. Ignition. Houston. Tower clear ascent intro.
Okay, good.
Houston. Pitch program intro.
Ah, we're close. Is that 38?
Houston. Apogee rate burn to 400 kilometers intro. Houston, 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 navigation solution. Houston, Houston, time to ignition countdown is go.
Yo, Heron, how you doing?
Houston, orbital maneuver bird is go.
Alright, we should see it, not fight it.
Houston, orbital insertion is go.
Alright, so you kind of got an issue here. Oh, that's not good. For some reason, it didn't. Ah, dude. And it fought it at the very end. See, I gotta do a manual fucking maneuver. Ball sack, dude. So I'm gonna have to get rid of the maneuver system. Dicks, dude. I won't do that. Oh, come on. You don't gotta two. One of those. Yeah. Cool. Okay, dokie. So what? You're not the right field type. You're not the right field type. Okay. Okay. Nah. I want to see if I can just get the rocket to cooperate with like building a better parameter.
Orbital insertion is go. Report sequence intro.
Oh, this flight computer is so difficult. That's right. That's right. Okay. And to even out the yeah, it's even.
All flight controllers, stand by for launch status check. Report go or no go for startup automatic launch sequence. Guidance intro. Tell intro. FIDO intro. Control intro. Retro intro. Intro intro. Booster intro. Procedure intro. Surgeon intro. Assistant flight director intro. Capcom intro. FAO intro. Ecom intro. Network intro. GMC intro. Computer support intro. Recovery intro. All stations are go. Launch control. Flight. Proceed with command uplink. Flight computer. Launch control. Prepare to receive launch command. Uplink follow. Internal power intro. Automatic launch sequence intro. Engine start command intro. Ignition. Houston, tower clear ascent intro.
Cool, we got balance on TWR. Radial decouplers are working perfectly. Basically using
Program intro.
not using any center fuel. Alright, roll over. Okay, so like pitch control is not. It's also broken. Pitch control's broken. Okay. Alright, so I now know what I gotta do for my new live dumps here. Okay. Hold on a second. We want to find the actual heading of the rocket. Alright, so what we gotta do is we gotta open up rocket science. Um, all right, cool. So we need to grab this. We need an SP. We need to launch it. Pause it. Okay, so because it's not. All right, do not modify the flight computer file. Place system to SP on. All right, cool. So I think if we just execute, and once we get this, we can actually get an actual pitch over. Because that's really bad. That the rocket's not pitch over. In the calculator. In the flight calculator. And so no more guessing. Okay, so then we're gonna do this. Um, hopefully that doesn't crash this damn dumper. It doesn't. All right, good. That rocket science wants to crash. Fine, let it. Yeah, the tap little and hope steering with an explicit nav ball target that calculates can compute a and hold. No, we're still using the tap method. It's just we're going to actually tap over to the spot. And also, once it gets to the spot, it doesn't need to hold it there. Rocket Science game holds it there, but it will drift off of it. So it needs to just tap back onto that spot. Focus on the search for now. Couldn't have said that any better. Is it a tap check position instead of a tap check? It'd be tap check position, tap check position. What it needs more. So another calculator. Tap check position, what it needs more. Alright, fine. If you want to crash, just crash. You know what? Crash. Alright, cool. Thank you. Alright, so rocket science. Sometimes when I do like large dumps, it like clogs the RAM, and then the app hangs. So I gotta like kind of refresh it. And it's just a debugger dumper. So yeah, launch this thing. Come on. Okay, this dump. This dump. Alright, this is gonna hang. No, it's not. Nice and awake. This confirms the proxy is irrelevant and only forwards calls and then search now. This is the simulate code reads the direct controls and turns those tabs and changes into target rotation. Since direct controls target rotation reference. Yeah, the dot narrows it down. Yeah, we get the store controls. We understand that. Okay, but they run these separate. They're not combine them. Current rotation, current vector 3, physics, rockets, steering. Guys are gonna be massive dumps there. I'll run them all. Okay, and do that. That's a small dump, and then we got another small dump. Small dump. And then another small dump. Redump. The iPad that is ruled out now as the next help is the spacecraft direct control, and then weather founded. The steering map is not a physics rocket, it's in a simulate rocket. It also is a heading PID. There we go. Sweet, we just hard code that fucking heading PID and adjust the throttle. Yeah. It's a little smart is what that is. There you go, 20,000 lines of code. Enjoy, read through that. Alright. Moves target rotation and applies PID steering. Stores the tap. A simulated rocket direct control. Oh shit, he's actually got a simulated rocket direct control fucking module. So he was planning to put a flight computer in the game. But he can't do that with simulated environments around him. He'd have to contradict that. It's a big jump. Okay. Is a heading error in a native PID feed that method is steering controller, so it should provide the exact mathematical differences between target rotation and live body rotation precisely for the flight calculator needed to tap forward a specific nav ball point without guessing. Yeah. There it is. Okay, and so we just basically root down to that simulator, that mathematical equation, and we siphon it. As we siphon it, we can basically have the rocket go to whatever position we want at any time possible. As a release should happen slightly before the desired spot and not necessarily inside the final tolerance because the game continues tracking the rocket during the after input timer. Exactly. That's exactly true. Because whenever I tap it over, it will continue to fucking go over. Which means that that timer needs to be removed. Origin should modify that timer. Is after input maxes in its setup create start simulation or reset rocket is most likely initialized directly on the hidden constructor field in the initializer. The text search cannot reveal its live value. Use this to read the private field and simulate rocket. It's actually give you delay instead of searching for its name. Okay, so let's do this, and let's give you a bad syntax. So we'll get a good syntax off this. Don't care. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Alright, RS extension. Open this SLN. Maneuver node test tool. Update the tool. You dipshit. Trying to fucking destroy my fucking everything. A steering probe works inside the SP instead of being rejected as raw C. Yeah. So we just gotta add the steering probe function inside there. You know, we have our engine probes, so we have steering probes, we had our engine probes. And now we had our park probes, and now we have steering. So this is great. I kind of like this workflow I'm in, right? It's like a flow state of amazing zen right now, developing this. Alright, we can get rid of this for now. Nah, I'm good. Alright, he's gonna fucking finish writing that. You hurry up. And now to print the selected rocket's private settle timers plus the command module rotations. I know, but how does that translate into? Navball. Did he find a navball translation? Is a desired target Quantrion? The remaining search is to find the exact value assigned for after input. Determines how long the target continues to follow the moving rocket after the tap is released. Okay. Alright, this shouldn't be too big. Yeah, it's big, but it's not. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. It's alright. It's alright. Alright. Let's close this shit. We don't need that right now. And we gotta go here to maneuver node tool and update it. Don't error me up. Thank you. I gotta rebuild this and then relaunch the rocket. I'm gonna rebuild it one more time. Oh, no, we're good. That was just kind of a intense rebuild there. All right, we're good. We got that rebuild running smoothly. Now, we rebuilt the DLL that's injecting into the game and giving us all of our tools. And now we hit continue. We go to the rockets launchy thingy and we launchy rocket thingy and pause and golden. SP.A. Turn that off. And then we're going to go ahead and launch this thing. I'm going to turn it. And I paused it. Alright, sweet. So I paused it. So that's kind of neat. Alright, SP. M. Alright, cool. And then we need to do F2 to close that and paste the steering probe, execute now, and grab that nav ball steering probe and paste that in there just like that. Okay, so we should have some data now. It says it's here direct control flow 30F0F0F. Ah, cool. I mean, that's an X, Y, and Z. And let me just read it. 2. After input timer 0.82000002. Active in hierarchy true. Scene valid true. New rocket copy. Max engine's torque is 5.8. Max engine's torque is 5.8. Ridge body rotation. Angular velocity. Angular speed. Okay. Oh, shit, we got angular out of that. Target rotation and quaternoid. Quaternoid. What is a quaternoid? Quaternoid. What is a quaternoid? What is a quaternoid? Okay, where W, X, Y, and Z are real numbers as J, K special imaginary units that follow a specific multiplication rule. Arjun is such a mathematician, man. I tell you, he built this game with just such stupid math. I love it. I'm not complaining. It's just amazing. He's a mathematician, this man. He said, I want the quaternion method when creating this whole navball system. Oh, god damn. XK, Y, I. That is intense, bro. That quaternion is the... Hold on. Quaternion equation. I want to see that equation. It's a QA plus BI plus CJ plus DK. And then there's some if. If QI equals A plus BI plus CJ plus BK and Q2 equal E plus FI plus GJ plus K and then. Oh. I got it now. Okay, so that's the quaternion. And that's then if this number, this value reaches a specific point, the quaternion is for the nav ball position. Okay. So to break it down, the quaternion, or however you spell that, translates to the nav ball. Then the nav ball will position itself based off of those values. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. The quaternion XYZW, a nav ball converts that orientation into something human. Okay. Yeah. Der. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Savage. All right. Cool. So the release trans has already been processed, and the rocket was inside the one settling window. The important control rule is therefore. Okay. Okay. Is there anything to tell us the exact position of that nav ball? So I'm gonna have to create some different variables for like what 90 is. Yes, the game already exposes the exact 3D orientations of the current rotation. So for example, the target current rotation. The game measures the exact rotation differences into a pitch, yaw, and roll steering error. And it calculates appears to the heading error and the quant area to attitude. Gives us that exact complete 3D orientation. But on the nav ball itself, it has degrees. Just like, let's just grab a photo of this. It has numbers. It has numbers. Okay, sweet. So, they should pretty much match up. Okay, Savage. Okay, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool. What is this? I don't need you anymore. You're dead to me. Now, so we actually are turning. All right. So now we got our turning equation done. Now I'm just going to fly this rocket while he does that. So this should be a lot more accurate of a flight plan. Which sucks because now I don't know if my azimuth mathematics are actually correct. They should be, because with estimations with the TAP system, they seem to be pretty accurate. So yeah, I think that's good. I'm kind of surfing out of the atmosphere right now. Okay, so I'm at $2,000 right now. 97, 98, 99. $100. 120. 130. I was doing a manual flight. There we go. Kind of launch everything over here. T-2. And then 17 seconds. 10. It won't really matter. There we go, it's done. Perfect 400 by 340 orbit. There. All right. So we have designed it our quarter 9. How do you say that? Quarter 9 steering. That's what it is. Quarter 9. Is it quarter 9? What is that? Quarter 9. NION. I don't like how this doesn't even. Oh. Alright, cool. We got quarter 9 steering. Ah, it just never ends. Okay. I said I'll need a paycheck for this. So, I'm joking, of course. I guess this is just absurd. A method occurrences and duplicates and patch UI CS definitions. Okay. Uses the KMA module, returns the nav of Cortex and builds the Cortex towards the requested flight direction. Oh, that's actually fucking genius. I like that idea. It keeps the atmosphere, stage radiation as a prograde maneuver and throttle and orbit and logic intact. So it should still have the weird throttle bug that we need to fix because that shit is stupid. Okay, I don't know why that loaded up so fast. Alright. Quarter Noyon turning. It's 25,000 lines, so it's not wrong. Alright. Rebuild. I can't wait to try this bitch out. I cannot wait. This is fire. And I knew quarter point or quarter, I didn't know the terminology, but when building the first version of this application, I was using quarter Noyon turning. Quarter Noyon turning should also keep the rocket stable or level. So one of my concerns about this is the rotation. Okay. And so like a rotation director to keep the rotation on its side. Just delete all that really quickly. And then we're gonna just use our base rocket for this test. No shenanigans, just to kind of see what happens. Alright, so it's the display computer, and then we initialize.
Flight controller, stand by for launch status check. Report go or no go for startup automatic launch sequence. Guidance in go. Tail in go. FIDO in go. Control in go. Retro in go. Info in go. Booster in go. Procedure in go. Surgeon in go. Assistant Flight Director in go. Capcom in go. FAO in go. Ecom in go. Network in go. GMC in go. Computer support in go. Recovery in go. All stations are go. Launch control. Flight. Proceed with command uplink. Flight computer. Launch control. Prepare to receive launch command. Link follow. Internal power intro. Automatic launch sequence intro. Engine start command intro. Ignition. Houston, tower clear ascent intro.
Okay, it kind of did a little tilt over there.
Houston, pitch program intro.
That is very like jittery. It's doing a lot of wiggling.
Houston, apogee rate burn to 400 kilometers intro.
It's pretty weird.
Houston, 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 navigation solution. Houston, Houston, time to ignition countdown and go. Houston, orbital maneuver burn and go. Houston, orbital insertion and go.
It fucking worked. Wow, it worked. It's ugly though, man. Oh god, dude, it's ugly. It's ugly. It gets up there ugly, dude. It is ugly.
Houston, orbital insertion and go. Houston, abort sequence and go. Houston, abort sequence and go. All flight controller, stand by for launch status check. Report go or no go for startup automatic launch sequence. Guidance in go. Tell in go. Final in go. Control in go. Retro in go. Info in go. Booster in go. Procedure in go. Surgeon in go. Assistant flight director in go. Capcom in go. FAO in go. Ecom in go. Network in go. GMC in go. Computer support in go. Recovery in go. All stations are go. Launch control. Flight. Proceed with command uplink. Flight computer. Launch control. Prepare to receive launch command. Uplink follow. Internal power in go. Automatic launch sequence in go. Engine start command in go. Ignition. Houston, tower clear ascent in go.
Okay, I see the issue now.
Houston, pitch program in go.
Just answer this question. We hard-coded the values. What if we just change the values? Instead of Are we changing the values? Or are we pushing over? Just answer the question. We calculate the contrarian target altitude is a point we're not directly replacing the target rotation with our own values. The rocket physically turns and the game updates the nav ball. Okay. What would be the issue with just us dictating the value? Would it be better to just change the actual values so we can turn? It does this wiggle thing. I don't like that. It's wiggling like a fucking dolphin. Look at this shit. This shit is everywhere.
Houston, Houston, Houston. Apogee rate burn to 400 kilometers is go.
Okay, update the code. I'm saying this because this thing is wiggling like a dolphin. It's just going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So that's why I'm suggesting this as a fix. I didn't apply what you said in the previous message. We are going up, though. And azimuth. Or however you spell that. Ah, shit, also.
Houston, 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 navigation solution. Houston, Houston, time to ignition countdown and go. Houston, orbital maneuver burn and go. Houston, orbital insertion and go.
This is the final step. Then I can start calculating a moon route.
Houston, orbital insertion and go. Houston, orbital insertion and go. All flight controllers, stand by for launch status check. Report go or no go for startup automatic launch sequence. Guidance in go. Tail in go. FIDO in go. Control in go. Retro in go. Inco in go. Booster in go. Procedure in go. Surgeon in go. Assistant Flight Director in go. Capcom in go. FAO in go. Ecom in go. Network in go. GMC in go. Computer support in go. Recovery in go. All stations are go. Launch control, flight. Proceed with command uplink. Flight computer, launch control. Prepare to receive launch command. Uplink follow. Internal power in go. Automatic launch sequence in go. Engine start command in go. Ignition. Houston, tower clear ascent in go. Houston, pitch program in go. Houston, Houston, Houston. Apogee rain burn to 400 kilometers in go.
There's a calculator issue.
Houston, abort sequence in go.
I know his thrust limiters are just fucked up. This rocket is a disaster. Okay, alright. That's a good test right there.
All flight controller, stand by for launch status check. Report go or no go for startup automatic launch sequence. Guidance in go. Tell in go. FIDO in go. Control in go. Retro in go. Inco in go. Booster in go. Procedure in go. Surgeon in go. Assistant flight director in go. Capcom in go. FAO in go. Ecom in go. Network in go. GNC in go. Computer support in go. Recovery in go. All stations are go. Launch control, flight. Proceed with command uplink. Flight computer, launch control. Prepare to receive launch command. Uplink follow. Internal power in go. Automatic launch sequence in go. Engine start command in go. Ignition. Houston, tower clear ascent in go.
That's way better. That's way better. That thing is straight. Okay. Chungus.
Houston, pitch program in go.
Or it's not turning at all. I mean, it's really hard to tell. That is butter. That is butter as fuck.
Houston, Houston, Houston. Apogee rate burn to 400 kilometers in go.
Oh no. That is sick. Why? Oh no, that is too good now. That's filthy. Oh, that's filthy. That's filthy, disgusting, nice. Mm. No, hold on a second. I'm speaking too soon. It's at 3:20. It's building lateral though. 3, 3, 3, 4. Oh, dude, that's efficient. 4K at 10% throttle, or sorry, 10% deduction on gas or on propellant. Oh no. Air 4 2 3 371 372 373. 377, 378, 379, 380. That's fucking sweet. $389, $390. 397, 398.
Houston, 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 navigation solution. Houston, Houston, time to ignition countdown is go. Houston, orbital maneuver burn is go. Houston, orbital insertion is go.
That's beastie as fuck. Ah,
Houston, abort sequence is go.
let's go, dude. It's, I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it. I fucking did it. I fucking did it. Okay, let's confirm it. It's actually perfect. Like it's actually like perfect. It's actually like perfect. It's actually perfect. What's the name of that garbage?
All flight controllers, stand by for launch status check. Report go or no go for startup automatic launch sequence. Guidance in go. Tail in go. FIDO in go. Control in go. Retro in go. Inco in go. Booster in go. Procedure in go. Surgeon in go. Assistant Flight Director in go. Capcom in go. FAO in go. Ecom in go. Network in go. GMC in go. Computer support in go. Recovery in go. All stations are go. Launch control, flight. Proceed with command uplink. Flight computer, launch control. Prepare to receive launch command. Uplink follow. Internal power in go. Automatic launch sequence in go. Engine start command in go. Ignition. Houston, tower clear ascent in go.
We're doing like a large test. Kind of see what it does with large rockets.
Houston, pitch program in go.
That was just my design flaw. Yeah, stabilizer is stabilizing. Oh my god. Okay. We
Houston, abort sequence in go.
I think it's done. I think it's done. I need to go check for a fire because I literally smell something burning. Like that smells like building burning type stuff. Alright, sweet. I just gotta fix 2 menu things, and, this will be ready for release on the Steam Workshop. I just